think there's some issue. I am just trying to fix it out. Let me just check. Are we live? All right. I think we are live. Good to start?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Pranjalji. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you so much for connecting with us today.
My pleasure, ma'am.
बहुत ही छोटे हो, बहुत ही कमाल का काम करते हो. Let's begin without wasting our time and understand about your innovation. नमस्कार दोस्तों, this is Kalpana Chaudhary, founder of Social Tables, managing trustee and chairperson of Jan Seva Foundation, Being the Change, and Lagna.com. Lagna.com is a matrimony portal for differently able cancer and acid attack survivors. Along with it, I'm also a co-chairperson of ASSOCHAM State Women Entrepreneur Development Council, GSDC, Women GSDC member at FICCI CII. IWN Maharashtra Women Economic Forum and a TEDx speaker. Social Tables is committed to sustainable development program with societal well-being and environmental consciousness. We aim to promote grassroots innovation, present situation, challenges and policies. We engage in global leadership, diplomacy, informative panel, inspiring speaker, impactful leader, talent developers and engaging audience. Social Tables in association with National Innovation Foundation, Department of Science and Technology of India brings to you the Innovation Talk Show, where the guest speaker for today is Mr. Pranjal Srivastava from Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh. He has contributed in the innovation of thermoelectric stove generator. Living in rural area, Pranjal's family suffers from the shortage of electricity. In the absence of electricity at the night, women often use kerosene lamp, which has many risks associated with it, like chances of fires, explosion, and increased risk of asthma. To provide more efficient alternative source of energy, students developed the thermoelectric stove generator. This stove provides the facility to absorb waste heat which produced while cooking and convert this thermal energy into electrical energy. This electrical energy will help in charging batteries, mobile phone or other electrical device. Pranjal is a recipient of Inspire Awards Manak 2018 and was also recognized during Asian Indian Grassroots Innovation Forum at Philippines in November 2019. नमस्ते प्रांजल श्रीवास्तव जी. आपसे आज मिलकर बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. हमें आपकी कहानी ये साबित कर ही देती है कि इनोवेशन वो बदलाव है जो हमें नया रास्ता दिखाती है. जिस तरह से आपने ये इनोवेशन हीट एनर्जी जो को बिजली में बदलती है, ये काबिलियत तारीफ है. मैं आज आपको आपके इसी इनोवेशन के बारे में और आपकी जर्नी के बारे में ढेर सारी बातें जानना चाहूंगी, लेकिन पता चला आप 16 साल की हो, इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में आपने इतना कुछ धमाल करके दिखाया. बताइए आपने सारा कुछ किया कैसे, हुआ कैसे हुआ?
Like, let me start from the beginning. Like, when I was in 3rd grade, so I usually had this like craze in me about like motors and batteries, this remote control toy cars and all. So one day what happened, one of my toy cars just broke. Like, so all the inside material like batteries, motor came out. And I got curious, like, what are these stuff inside? So I started experimenting those, like connecting motor to battery, and then I tried to reconstruct that car where it can work. So I was successful, but the car didn't like function properly. So I failed in my first attempt, but then I didn't stop and I reached this level.
And this was at which age?
When I was in 3rd grade.
3rd grade you did this?
Yes.
Wow, how amazing is this? What motivated you to do this?
Nothing motivation, like it's like a free time hobby for me. Like whenever I'm free, I want to do something. I just like take out my stuff and start making something.
So you were just sitting and you thought of, innovating something new.
No, like I was like figuring out some other model, but on the journey I figured out this was also an efficient way of producing electricity, like from the waste heat from the stove. So I felt like, okay, let me work on this. So I started working on this. I worked on this for 3.5 months, and then the product was successfully complete.
That's so amazing. So tell me, how has this changed your mother's life and so many women? Because kerosene डाल के जब वो हम लोग लाइट जलाते तो उसमें काफी सारा रिस्क होता है. So let us understand how have this changed even your life, apart from your mother's life and the women who you have supported. This is truly phenomenal.
So let's say like if you are cooking on a kerosene like a chula or something, which in a rural language they call it, a lot of heat that gets wasted by the sideways. Like the heat which goes above gets absorbed by the utensil, but
Yes,
the heat which goes sideways always gets wasted.
yes.
Like I did an experiment, it was figured out 30% of our LPG gets
Hmm.
wasted without the cooking process.
True, true.
So I felt like this like in the modern era, energy conservation is the main aim for all the nations.
True,
So
true.
why not work on this? So I figured out about TEGs. So
Ah,
what are TEGs? TEGs are thermoelectric stove generators which function on Seebeck effects. So like if you create a temperature difference on both the sides of a TEG, they will generate current. So I
hmm.
use that principle to create my thermoelectric stove generator. So how this helps, like just imagine like in rural villages, light shortage is a common problem everywhere. Okay. So like if you are cooking your food, just change your normal stand with this PPG stand and just start cooking your food.
Wow.
While the cooking process, this thermal stove generator is getting charged. So after the cooking process, you from a USB cable you can connect light, charge your phone or a small LED bulb, etc. So this could like saving the 30% LPG wasted and also converting to electrical energy to be used in like many daily work chores.
Fantastic. I mean, you're using the stove as well as that is also generating the electricity which can be used for mobile phone or small electrical part. This is phenomenal. And
Like I want to say one more thing. Like you see many generators, we have to do some extra work. Like in a dyno, we have to like spin the wheel and all. But in my innovation, there is no extra work. While the cooking process, the energy is getting conserved. So there is no extra work getting involved.
and what were the challenges you were facing while doing all these things?
The first challenge was always the safety purpose. Like it was near the flames.
Yes, yes,
So that
absolutely.
was the problem. And the second thing was this model was aimed for rural villages. So it should be like budget inside, not very expensive, right?
True, true.
So I like you would be surprised. This model is made under 300 rupees.
Wow, just 300 rupees.
Yeah, like if I say in dollar, it's like less than $5. So like it's very affordable for even the rural villages.
That's amazing. And which are the states, or have you also, is your product also being sold globally, or it is in India? Which are the
No,
states
no,
you
no.
have sent to?
Like if I just created a prototype till now, not going the business and all. The prototype cost me 300 rupees, but like it's just individual. If we create in a bulk, then the price will also become lower again because then it's bulk order.
Yes, yes, yes. So you haven't started yet doing the marketing.
No, no, like no, I have not started the marketing yet.
It has not been the product in the market right now. You're on your initial stage.
Yeah, I just created a prototype for this.
Prototype. Okay. And so
Yeah.
how did you get in association with NIF, and how did they support you in this whole journey?
Like I took part in one of the NIS competition called Inspire Awards Mana 2019.
Hmm.
So in that it was like a state national level innovation competition in which we have to clear the school level, then the state level, then the city level, like this step by step.
Yes, yes,
So I
yes.
cleared all the rounds and like I was in the top 60 of the innovators in like Inspire Awards Mana. So from there I got like connected with the NIF.
Huh.
So NIF helped me a lot for like helping me out with the other one. So I went to Philippines, like which you said already. I won the like first prize in all over Asia, Southern East Asia, with a prize money of 1,50,000. So that was just a boost for me for that. Like I got motivated after that. So I started working on my model again. So yeah, I made it a lot better than the company.
Such a proud moment. You're just 16 years old. You have gone to Philippines. They have been awarded you with 1.5 lakh, and you're saying the product cost is only 300, and you're planning. So you tell us one thing. When are you planning to launch this product? And have you associated yourself with some organization who could help you in? From the production to the marketing, or are you looking forward for someone so that if somebody is watching the show they can connect to you? So we will definitely share your number and the details which we already have later in the while ending the show. So please tell us.
Yeah, like I'm still in 11th grade, so I have no idea how business work or how to like create a startup. So if someone who's watching this, if you contact me and help me with all those matters, I would be really grateful.
Okay, and what kind of help or what kind of plan are you thinking about how to go about, or how do you want to take this forward?
Like I'm thinking, so like first we launch it like in India itself, because India,
Yes.
50% of India is villages, like rural
Sure,
areas.
sure.
So like India would be like a nice place to start up with this, and Made in India is a concept which I support myself. So we should start from this.
So this is, has this been approved by Government of India?
Yeah, I got the patent for this.
Oh, that's amazing. And what kind of funding are you looking for this? And so that, if you want to start even the pilot project, so how do you go about it? What are your plans?
Like I'm in a studying procedure, so like I will just study a small basic, but when I will like move into college, I will create it in a large extent. I will try
So
to spread it
right
large.
now you're just looking for someone to just get associated with you and take it
Yeah.
forward. That
To
will be
start talking about the business matters and get a little bit of idea how things work.
true, true, true. And I'm sure there are a lot of people who are watching over here who definitely want to get associated with such an innovative product. Imagine just less than 300 rupees, and there's so much of it's eco-friendly, and you can also use the stuff, you can also use electricity. There's ek innovation or do fayde. Wonderful, wonderful. And you have any else thing to share, or is there anything else in your mind after this product? Are you planning to do something else?
Yeah, sure. Like I have a book which whenever I get an idea, I write down that idea in that. So that book, many models are still pending to meet. So I will work on these in the following years, and maybe like help India in some development.
That's amazing. I mean, you are the today's youth is the future of our country, and you are
Yeah.
so proud. Okay, tell me one thing, Pranjal. The product, what you're, you have invested a lot of time and energy and everything. So I just want to understand, how does this work, and what are the maintenance costs, and also how many hours this could be used for, how many times you can cook in this whole product, because this is very important.
Okay, so yeah, let me tell you the basic principle on this my stand works. It's called Seebeck effect.
Hmm.
Like it's what if you take two dissimilar metals and create temperature difference between those poles.
Hmm.
So an automatic current starts to flow through that wire. So that's what's happening, right? Like just imagine this is a component for tech, okay?
You have
This is the
something?
tool. No, I don't have like my model just in place here.
No problem. Yeah.
So okay, just take my hand, like okay, just imagine it.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, just imagine this is the gas stove. Okay, the flames are heating this side, and the outside air are cooling this side. So there's
Wow.
automatic temperature difference between both the poles. So like I have a series of 5 Peltier modules which do the same thing, and all these like power gets stored into a supercapacitor.
Okay.
So supercapacitor has a quality that it charges really fast. So that's what we want, because cooking don't last for 3 hours and 4 hours. It's
True.
just 30 minutes or 45 minutes, right?
True. So it
And
depends. Yeah.
yeah, and there is a buck booster. Like what does a buck booster do? From the supercapacitor, we get a voltage of 0.9 volts.
Okay.
So a buck booster converts into 5 volts, like 0.9 to 5 volts, because the minimum power to charge a mobile phone is 4.5. So it creates that amount of current.
You're saving a lot of electricity as well.
Yeah, and there is a USB port at the end, so you can easily connect your USB to your phone to charge it.
Oh, so that machine also has a USB board, you mean to
There is
say?
USB port in it. Like you could connect your small LED or directly your phone to charge it.
Have that product right now with you to show? We can wait if you could get here.
Yeah, I could get it with.
Yeah, please go get it. Isn't that incredible? We need to support our youth.
Yeah, so I'm back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here you could see my model. Like it's a basic gas stove stand, a normal gas stove stand. So as you can see, there are a series of 5 Peltier models. As you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, yes, yes.
So these are all connected to this small supercapacitor at the back. You could see this small piece.
Yes, yes.
And there is that USB port which I was talking about to connect your LED or phone charger if you want.
Okay.
So this was a product LED which I created with the LED.
Okay.
And the USB port in that to function it with that.
Wow.
So like what this do is like get me. So
Yeah.
what this do like is it visible?
Yeah, it is. No.
Okay.
No better.
Okay, so yeah, let me just talk with them.
No, easy. Take your time. We are here.
Yeah, you got the idea, right?
Yes. So how does
yeah.
this work? So now we have kept it on the table.
So yeah, okay, let's take a scenario. Like you like replace it with a normal gas stove stand, put your utensil over it and you start cooking. While you're cooking, the heat which goes sideways gets converted into electricity by these Peltier modules.
Okay.
And this was in the ratio of 2:3. For example, like if you cook for 30 minutes, this could charge your phone for 45 minutes.
Wow.
So it was in that 2:3 ratio, like which I calculated.
That's amazing. I just want to you to leave a message for today's youth, because today's youth are spending a lot of time in this WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and here we have a 16-year-old boy who has created a superb innovation. So what message would you want to give to our youth today?
Like as a teenager, I also get like distracted into social media a lot. Like I'm not gonna lie.
Yes.
But like if we want, we can control anything in life. That's not a thing. And social media like is not bad in all the senses. Like if you work, it's a good platform to share your idea and all. Like YouTube, you could upload your idea with a lot of people who are interested. In Instagram, to chat with people like who are interested with your idea and all.
So in a right and positive sense, social media is indeed very useful. Yeah. But it is also important to spend quality time in some kind of research, or there's a lot of other ideas where you have, everybody has their own passion which they need to follow, right?
Yeah, sure. There should be a balance in your life. Like you should not live in a virtual world, like just inside your tablet or your phone. Just go outside, see the world, see the problems, see the real world, not the social media one. And then you got the real colors which our environment has to offer. And
who has been your motivation throughout your journey?
Especially my parents. My parents have always helped me with that. And I'm gonna take her name. Like she was my science teacher, Miss Charu Singh. Like she always motivated me with all these things. Like she was my teacher in 6th, 7th standards. Like she motivated me. That's why I am here. Like I could give that to her.
So when parents and teachers support you, motivate you, this is the magic what you do.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Pranjalji. Really so proud of you, and I'm so glad I met you today and we had an interactive session. You have motivated me personally, and we are so proud of you. Mr. Pranjal Srivastav has proved this by innovating the thermoelectric stove generator, which has much efficient use of the heat coming out of gas stove, which was earlier wasted. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for being such an amazing audience. Let me take an opportunity to give you all vote of thanks. As they say, what is now proved was once only imagined. Today we have learned a lot about Pranjal's innovation. To get in touch with him, you can call him up at 9634275744 or email at info@nifindia.org. You can also visit their website. For sending any kind of review or suggestion, please do connect with us at tablessocial@gmail.com. We wish you all the best, Mr. Pranjal.
Thank you, ma'am.
You will have someone over here seeing this and supporting you, and we are also here all the time here to support our youth. Please do get in touch if you think we can do anything for you. And once you launch, we will definitely do another show to understand how it is going in the market.
Okay, sure.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Dhanyawad.